we are going to talk about the pen tool. Here there is a small icon like pen, okay, and these are the list that we will get into this pen tools. Okay, one is obviously pen tool itself, and add anchor pen tool, and delete anchor pen tool, and anchor point tools, and there is another one pen tools, okay, curve pen tool or continues. Let's say we can see here, see pen tool drawing, okay, pen tools, another add anchor point, delete anchor point, and anchor point tool, okay, and curvature or curve pen tool that we can see. Okay, these are the pen tools that can get in Adobe Illustrator. How to use that, and why we need to use a pen tool, let's understand this. So simply, to create any kind of shape we use a pen tool. Okay, so let me put aside. Okay, I'll side here. I'm using a move tools, and then I'm moving. Okay, and for the hand tool I'm pressing space so that I can get hand tool and I can move my artboard. Okay, you need to understand that. So how you can move your artboard by pressing shift, and you will enable the hand tool, and then what you can do is you can just click your left click mouse, okay, and then you can move your artboard. It's pretty easy. Okay, so let's start with the pen tool. So pen tool is just a tools to create multiple shape. Okay, whatever you want you can create. There is a simple two different way to use pen tools. Okay, for example, first one, I'm not clicking and dragging, I'm just clicking only. Okay, I'm not dragging here anything, just clicking, and I am ending. So if I just click and click and click and click and click, I will get this kind of sharp rectangle kind of sharp shape. Okay, instead of like only clicking, if I clicked and started dragging, then I can get this kind of curve line. Okay, see, I'm getting a kind of curve line, clicking and dragging. Okay, clicked, don't leave your mouse, just drag. Okay, if you click and if you leave, then obviously it will again create this straight line. Instead of like leaving, just click and drag, then you will get curve line. Okay, this is one way. Now let's use some of the key from keyboard. Okay, so first I will select pen tool and I'll click, and if I press a shift, okay, now I'm pressing a shift. Okay, see, you can see the shift on what do you call it, shift been changing on a particular specific angle or some kind of person, that it's very rigid or fixed, that is following one specific path to like um, to draw or while drawing. Okay, if I leave shift, then obviously it is free, I can create any kind of shape. Okay, but if at the same time if I start pressing like a shift, see, you can see the changes. If I press the shift, it will follow one angle to create any kind of shape or path. Okay, now what I do is I will press alt. Okay, now I'm not pressing alt. Let's see what happens if I press alt. Now I'm pressing shift, and at the same time I'm pressing alt. So you can see there is one specific kind of movement, jumping, right? 1 2, it's not free, it is like following one particular angle, right? So now what I do is I will leave this shift key now. Okay, I'm now leaving shift, and now you can see the continuous what do you call movement on this clockwise or anti-clockwise. I can move anywhere. So this is the different using the shift. If you press a shift while using your pen tool, then it will follow one specific angle wherever you moved. Okay, and so why we pressed alt or to move this anchor point individually. If I didn't press any alt, then it will move this particular shape and it will move both the side of anchor. But at the same time, if I press alt, then only one angle will like move, and I can change this my shape. Okay, so see, now I'm pointing this here. If I press here, then I will create this kind of shape. But if I, let's say, if I like just press, and if I like for example, if I'm not pressing anything from the keyboard, then I'm not able to get like previous result. See, I'm not getting, I can't, like if I lived and if I try to do, then I can see the a little bit curve on this line. Okay, I just want to turn the shaft on, I cannot get. Okay, so what I can do is I can just simply then I will delete. Okay, and again I will click, and then I will curve, and then I will press alt, and then I can change one anchor, and then now I can like change my shape. See, now you can see the sharp turning on this shape. So now I'm not pressing anything. Okay, and not, I'm like dragging, I'm not dragging also. So now I will drag. See, I can see the changes again. So this is the way that we can use our pen tool. So let me remind you again. Okay, so click on a pen tool and start dragging or start creating a shape. If I just click, okay, moved in some other place and clicked, then I can create one any kind of shape, very sharp shape. Okay, it's a very sharp. At the same time, if I clicked and if I dragged, if I click, if I dragged, if I click, if I dragged, if I click, if I dragged, then I'll get smooth shape. Okay, there are same what you called anchor point. Let's say how many anchor point we have created. Okay, I created, see, there is one anchor point, 2, 3, 4, same, right? But still the shape is a little bit smooth. Okay, so and here also 1, 2, 3, oh sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm so sorry, 5 shape. Again here also anchor 5 anchor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, both has 5 anchor point, but still the both has a different shape. There is a little bit smoothness because I clicked and dragged. Now there are some other pen tools, right, like plus and minus. Let's understand what is it, plus and minus. Let's understand first plus. So previously I counted here, let's say I'm choosing this direct selection tools to identify how many anchor point are here. Okay, if you want to know how many anchor point in your shape, then you can select your direct selections tool, and then you can get the anchor point details. Okay, so let's say, suppose for example, here in the middle of any design, if I want any kind of like anchor point, or if I want to change my shape, and I can just click. Okay, first I select the object, and then I clicked on that particular outlined shape, and then I can change the shape. So how can I change? By clicking on again a simple direct selection tool. Okay, and then selecting on that particular anchor point that I just added, and then I can shift. See, I can change my shape here. There is a little bit smoothness, right? But there is no any smooth. So how can I make that smoothness? Okay, let me tell you. So there is a one tools here, anchor point tool. This, okay, I can make it smooth. Just click on that particular point and then drag it. See, now I created a smooth. Okay, but I didn't want to do smooth. What I wanted to make a little bit sharp edges like this way. So how can I achieve this? Again, simply click on anchor point and click on just one click. Don't drag, just a click, just a simple click, and all the anchor point will be sharp. See, again sharp. And again, if I want a smooth shape, simply just a click and drag, just click and drag. Very basic, very easy, very simple. Okay, it's just that we need to practice over and over again so that we can master the tools. Now again the shape is again is right. Okay, now there is one more tool, that is delete anchor point. So what it is, it means like if you want to remove any anchor point, if I want to remove this anchor point, then I can simply click on that anchor point and again like delete it from the outline. If you want to add any anchor point, just click on add and click on outline area. You will add the anchor point. You don't lose anything, okay? It's just that it will add your anchor point. Or if you want to simply remove your anchor point, then just click like this, delete anchor point, and click on the anchor point what you want to remove. This is very simple and easy job, okay? And obviously, you know, if you want something like a sharp, simply click, okay, and then it will create a sharp edge like this, okay. And if you want to like make it a little bit smooth, okay, anything, just your creativity. Now this is the tools, okay. Now you can play with around and you can create anything. See, previously it was different shape, now it become a very, very different shape, isn't it? Yeah, simply let's just imagine, okay, if I like play some now we are not learning about the gradient or any color, but still I will tell you, if I like add some kind of shadow or something. See, now I'm trying to give you a kind of depth of field, and if I did, then it will look like a pond or something. Or I can create a kind of bread or omelette also. See, with one specific shape I can create anything. I can just imagine, I need to just imagine and put my creativity on that tools by using these tools, okay, these shapes. So this is it. There is one curvature tools, okay, here also very basic. So now I'm just a click, it will automatically create one curve, okay. See, it's create automatically, it will create. I'm not pressing anything, okay. My hand is completely free. I'm not pressing anything from the keyboard, okay. And nor I'm not dragging here. If I drag, this will it will like drag the anchor point, not like whole other like anchor shifting point, okay. It will completely drag out shape, entirely the shape. So simply just I'm like dragging, sorry, clicking only, and then it will create one cell. And if I want to like discontinue the shape, just I can simply press a ESC, and then it will like no. Then if I click P, no, P, okay, I can press P from the keyboard, and then it will over. Or I can like just simply click on the last point where I started, and then it will over. See, just I need to click and it will over. These are the things, okay, that you need to understand about the pen tool, how you can play with pen tool. Okay, let me tell you something. There it is already applied a kind of color. How? There is one option. See, don't worry about these other option, we will understand it later, okay. But today just try to practice only the pen tool. So let me tell you, sometimes what happen, see, there is a one color, outline is black, right, and inside there is a white color. How? This is the two things. So if I changed any different color, then we can yellow, then I can see the yellow color, and I will increase that stroke so that you can see it very clearly. Stroke means the outer stroke. And if I change any different color, then here, see, I'm changing the color. Only this is the difference, and this is how it is applying, okay. If you want only like, if you don't want a filled color, and if you want only like outline color, then you can simply select the color and then select a pen tool, and then as for your color and stroke width and height, you will get the result. See, stroke is 6-point stroke, and there is a black. Or if you want to change the color, you can simply change, but there is no filled color. See, now it has filled color, and now it doesn't have filled color. Now how you can practice? We have a game, right? Let me show you the game. First website is this is a very good game. See, it will show you how you can play. So it will like, so click, okay, click and click. See, it's complete. Now it's telling press a shift and then drag it, okay. Shift means pressing a shift. So simply start from here, press shift, okay, click, okay, click, okay, just practice like so. If you want to create a perfect circle, how you can create, okay, this is the way that you can create a okay circle, like okay, I'm missing something, right? Yeah, I did something miss. No, it's not happening. What happened? Can I control do undo it? Let's see. Okay, yeah, I can do. So I will do this much only. Let's see. No, not happening. Again, I will do Control Z. Okay, I will start from here. So okay, yeah, now it's getting better, right? Okay, okay. See, now I can start and I can like practice by clicking, and previously it was mentioned press alt and then I can shift the anchor like handle, and then I can create a save and try to follow this sorry, follow the guideline. Okay, it is like sorry, I need to press the alt. No, it's not. No, what is happening? I'm trying to press alt, but it's not pressing. Okay, let me do Control Z and yeah, press alt. Not yet. Now it's okay. Okay, so again and well, yes, this is how you can practice. Okay, and there is one more, okay, from the Adobe itself, and it's a very beautiful game like a space war or something. See, simply click, okay, and it will, if you click on outside, then obviously it will go and it will break, so you will like game will over. So what you have to do is you have to uh, uh, take your pen without like touching any extra black portion. Okay, you cannot touch any big like black area, otherwise it will break the line. Okay, see, likewise you can practice. Okay, beside that there are images that you can download and practice. Let me show you. So I'm opening Pinterest, and here you can see to see the images that you can practice. So for this kind of shape, okay, so how you can achieve, see, this is the way that you can create this kind of pen tool. Okay, now how you can practice, just simply right click and copy the image and paste on your artboard. Okay, and then I already give you an idea to explore the layers. Okay, and here on a layer menu I just paste my layer so that you can lock it. Okay, you can lock from here. Okay, so this is I, and over here you can lock. Now I cannot move this, it will lock and it won't affect any work. Okay, it won't move, it will stick to here. So you can lock and you can start creating your design. So let's start. Okay, so start from here. Okay, so I will create this shape, right? No, it's not working. Okay, we can refine it. So yeah, and obviously for that, okay, and okay, yes, I can refine like that. See, I can make it like that. I can follow the same direction. Sorry. Okay, and yes, here I can again do same thing, right? See, I created. Now there is a uh, there is not a smooth curve. So what I can do is I can select this anchor point and then I can select this anchor point. Okay, see, now I did some mistake. So first I will make this and I can press. No, it's not working. Okay, it's not working. Like, how we can solve this issue? It's confusing. So how can I select? We can select the direct tool. Okay, first we need to create a handle. So how can I create a handle? I can select this and I can simply create a handle, and then I can select a direct tools, and then I can okay, and oh sorry, I can press alt and individually I can move only one anchor, and then I can fix it. I fixed it, right? Let's see. Why it's happening? Oh, I pressed alt. That's why there are two different shapes. Let's copy it. Okay. And there is another way. Oh, I forgot to show you something. Yeah, let me show you. So there is a one pen tool. Okay. Now you don't have drag. Okay. So just simply click, click, and click, and click, and click. Okay. So now what you can do is you can choose that anchor point, and in the middle of this design, then just simply you can like drag. See, now you're creating a curve line. Simply drag this portion here, again this portion, okay, and drag and drag. Okay, and obviously if you want like individual, then likewise you can simply drag and make your design smooth. Okay, line is smooth. Okay, see, it's easy, but what you have to do is you have to practice more. Okay, now there is nothing, there is only outline only. Okay, there is nothing, there is no any shape or no any color. So how can you apply? So from here, okay, these are the two space where we can apply. So I'm applying one color, and there is another outline stroke, and I can increase the stroke. Okay, so this is not a smooth. Okay, simply if I click here, it will like go this way. So how can I click, and how can I make this kind of smooth? Simply click on a direct selection tool, and it won't affect any shape. Just try to adjust with these. Okay, see, okay, this is one. Oh yeah, so yeah, one. This is another, and this is one way, and there is another way. Let me press Ctrl Z. Okay, so here to like now on edit there is a Ctrl Z, or undo and redo. By pressing Ctrl Z you can undo, and by pressing Shift Ctrl Z you can redo it. So now I'm pressing Ctrl Z to go back. Why? I want to show you something. So I click here and I can see a small round, right? And if I clicked on that particular, I'm selecting a direct selection tool. Okay, I'm not selecting a move tool. If I select move tool, then I can't see this small round corner shapes. So I'm selecting direct, and I'm selecting only this particular what you called anchor point. I'm not selecting any other. See, you can see it's outline, it's also outline. Okay, it's also outline. See, here it is filled. Okay, so I can simply drag it. See, but it will add anchor point also. See, before it was only one anchor point, now it is making another anchor point. It is adding anchor point, and then it will create a smooth shape. Here also I can do the same way. See, this is how I create again the smooth shape. So now I will unlock this image and I will delete this. See, simple.